Rolling through the city, only 4G skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
What's up, y'all? I'm gonna start my vlog right here. 20-piece McNasty and the side order of nasty. ReSilient sounds for the win. We got some nice whips out here. We up here just doing the thing. Hope y'all like my tent. I've been busy, y'all. Been trying. I'm still Team Brown though. Got my poop emoji here. Got my new shirt on. Hope y'all like. Just doing some things. Having fun. My shirt was going crazy, yeah. How you like the design though? Facts. What's up? It's a ReSilient Sounds thing, y'all. Walk-up bass demo. You can get a bass demo anywhere right now because it's traffic. It's crazy packed. We can go some shit in Chicago. Yes, sir. See, smart. Lock my stuff up. Well, anyway, we're about to go on a little tour real quick. It's nighttime. I know. But here's what it is. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. It's a Stunna Jam, but not really. Yeah, it's Stunna Jam pull up the park. I don't know what time it is. Probably about 8, 9. Show y'all how thick it is out here. So, like I said, 55th Washington Park, same place I had my bass cruise. That spot look familiar to y'all. Minus no daylight. Bunch of madness. I was hoping to catch some action for y'all. So I'm just gonna walk all the way around this boy. That's one of the things about being the bass head. It's just knowing a bunch of the guys got bass. You know, so many bass heads here in Chicago. It's just ridiculous. And, you know, it's a pleasure just knowing y'all. So, know that, you know. I'm in search for some bass demos. In search to say what's up to my people. How y'all doing? Got 12 o'clock right here. Don't do that. Being smooth and mellow. Dang. Got bike cops. I'm about to go back the other way. I don't like bike cops. You know, unless they gonna let me wheelie their bike. You know. Man, good, brother. Boy, nice. Got a trophy for a reason. Still a couple of 100 cars out here. We out here kicking it. See them? They up there. Still doing burnout. Crazy shit just to excite these people right here a little bit more. But why, man? If we all be mellow and cool, we'll be good.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so tripped.